everyone. Okay, in this next step for the infinity scarf tutorial, we've got our right sides together and we've already sewn down the long edge of our infinity scarf piece. Now what we're going to do is just reach one arm right inside all the way through this whole thing until we get to the other side. And then you're just going to grab the raw edge here and you're going to pull it through so it matches raw edges together on the other short end of the scarf. So it's pretty easy to just pull it right through. You're going to match up the raw ends here and then you're just going to clip around that area. You're going to clip all the way around and leave about a 3-inch opening on one end, and that's just so you can turn it after you're done. So you're going to sew all the way around except for about 3 inches on this part, so right sides together.